All right, I'm back for number 2 lid. And I'll have all the description of the paints listed below. And stay tuned. So after the creation, I'm going to show how I assemble and disassemble the lids, and I'll also show you how I tape it off. And then I use the same colors on black for a collaboration. And I tried using black on this and it didn't work out very well. So everything is different. What I'm trying to say is that this creation, video 287, and these jar lids share the same paints. Only when I tried to use the black base on the jars, they didn't work out. So my colors. This is Naples Yellow Deep with Pearl from Arteza. From Amsterdam. And it works best with a lot. Next is my combination of quinacridone nickel azo gold with Zeus from TLP. And then my other combination, it's a dynamic duo, is 24 karat gold by Golden, by Deco Art, and iridescent gold by Golden. And that next to the quinacridone nickel azo gold is fantastic. This is quinacridone crimson by Golden. Seems to be the Golden show. But I do love my Goldens and Artezas. And my Deco Art. So that's Deco Art's Garnet, quinacridone crimson from Golden, and also Grenache from TLP. Golden's carbon black. And we'll go with that. I hope I didn't just lose center. All right, white cell activator, video 141, American Floetrol, where I show you how I create it and what the recipe is, and how I show you the step by step. And I swear by this stuff. It is fantastic. All right, here we go. For those of you that watch me, I normally talk through the blow, but this time I'm just going to let it roll so you can hear how the air is flowing. Normally when I'm blowing with my mouth, I don't usually get to the edge because you're able to spin it and everything, but this is so small, you can't help it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, looking good. I go through straws like there's no tomorrow here. My cell activator is a little stubborn. I think it's just this combination. I just want to reiterate something here, as I have in other videos, is that these jar lids make great gifts. Fill up the jars with some goodies, give this as a gift, and the recipient gets some goodies and a nice keepsake for the future. Okay, please come back. I was just bragging about you guys, my cell activator. So I'm going to give it a moment to come back, and I'm going to put paints away in the meantime. Well, as I spin it, I know it's going to come back. Because as it stretches, it'll stretch out, and as the composition stretches out, the colors from underneath will pop through the cell activator, which is thinner and heavier. So the paint is thinner and it's heavier, so it's going to clamp down below the colors, and the colors that are lighter in density will come up. I don't know if I've ever explained that before. That's theoretically what happens. Another spin. It looks really good. I have got 7 minutes to get upstairs. Really pretty. The other one I'm looking at right now. Oh, but this one is even better. Oh. I love these lids. I love these jars. Trouble is, I can't find them anymore. They're not, I don't see them at the Dollar Tree. But, you know, they'll be back. They go through their cycles there. Make sure my sides are getting covered. So these jar lids require a little more attention to detail because of the hourglass-shaped neck. Okay, that looks pretty good. Wow, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, I say, it's gorgeous. Oh, geez, it's beautiful. Get this little white spot out of here. Oh, I think it's done. I think it's done. Let's give it one last spin, just to give it any extra paint time to get to the bottom. Beautiful. I love it. It's dynamic. Okay, let's get this thing lifted up. Boy, this is hard. These are so small, they're hard to handle. Very carefully. Here, this one is. Oh, beautiful. So next I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble the lids. Okay, so a few people have asked me how you disassemble and assemble these jar lids that I get from the Dollar Tree. So basically, I'll assemble that one next. I take it apart. There's a couple latches here. You squeeze them. And then take it apart. That's it. That's all. You squeeze it together to get it on. Squeeze it together to take it apart. So prior to doing anything, I take it all apart. I take off the little gasket. I tape around the inside. So I, in fact, picked up a bounty from the Dollar Tree. They got some in stock. So yeah, here is the lid. I tape the sides. I cover the bottom so that when I get ready to paint on it and resin, I have a nice protection and I have a nice way to have a clean edge when I pull everything off at the end. So that's it. I get ahead of the game here. And then once I have it done, I put the rubber gasket back on, put the metal piece in the little indentation that's there, get my little guy, my little jar, squeeze, get it on. Voila. That's all there is to it. It's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, once again, to assemble it, you put the gasket back on after you've removed the tape and resined it and everything. Put the gasket Let's see. It's gonna go like that. Squeeze it, install it. This one's really easy. They're not all easy. Some of them are a little more difficult and stiff. There you go. Okay, just wanted to share that with you guys because a number of you asked, and I just thought I would take a moment to show you how to do it. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and the extra explanation I added. I'll also have a jar lids playlist linked at the end. And if you're new here and haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a comment and a thumbs up. I always get back to everybody and appreciate what people have to say. It's free and it helps my channel grow. All right, everybody, until next time, take care.